With the Antonio E23, the Spanish shipyard returns to the length of its very first boat. Everything else is new and now electric. With 30 knots VMAX, it offers 24 knots cruising speed and silence on the water. When a car manufacturer like Porsche combines the latest electric drivetrain with an elegant boat like the Frauscher 850 Fantom Air, electric boating takes a great step, and the driving experience is a class of its own. With a background in solar industry, the Basque boat builder Lasai particularly focuses on long-range driving. The open Lasai 22GL offers around 100 kilometers without recharging the batteries.